Hey everyone. So, is your QuickBooks running really slow? Maybe it takes forever to open, freezes while working, or just feels laggy all the time. Uh, yeah, that can seriously kill your productivity. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to speed up QuickBooks in 2026. And most of these fixes are super easy. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary memory and background processes that may be slowing QuickBooks down. Make sure your QuickBooks is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Large company files can slow things down a lot. Try cleaning up old data or using the condensed data feature to reduce file size. If you're using too many add-ons or integrations, they can slow performance. Disable any plugins you don't really need. Make sure your computer meets the latest system requirements for QuickBooks. Low RAM or slow storage can cause lag and freezing issues. QuickBooks also provides a tool called Tool Hub that can fix performance issues automatically. Run the quick fix or program diagnostic tools. If QuickBooks is still slow, upgrading your hardware can make a big difference. Switching to an SSD or adding more RAM can dramatically improve speed. And that's it. Most QuickBooks slow performance issues can be fixed by updating the software, optimizing your file, or improving your system. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.